So you're gonna get 12 cups.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now on the tea, I use either Red Diamond or Louisiana.
Okay.
That's the only two brands that I use.
Red Diamond and
Louisiana.
Louisiana.
Okay. This is a family size bag.
Okay.
Use one bag, or if you get the regular, they were out of the regulars. Let's see if I got one in here. Yeah. If you get just the regular tea bags, hold on, let me take these out. The regular size tea bag,
Mm-hmm.
it takes 4 of them.
Okay.
Either 4 of these regular or one family size. Put it in there. Turn it on. Okay.
Just wait.
Yeah, it'll brew up. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my container that has the sugar in it.
Okay.
Okay. I use a half-gallon container, any kind of half-gallon container, but this is the one I always use. And get the sugar.
Do you need some help?
Now, I don't measure my sugar, but this is a 1 cup measuring cup. And I just eyeball it. And I just put
That much.
about this much.
Okay. For 12 cups, you add that much.
Yeah, to half gallon. It's going to make a half gallon of tea.
Okay.
So, half gallon. So, now we just have to wait for it to brew.
Okay. And you just add that to the sugar.
Yeah, after this is finished brewing, I'll pour it in here. And then there'll be a little bit of space left. I'll finish filling it up with water. And you're through.
Oh, wow. That's it, huh?
Yep, that's it.
So simple.
Years now,
Mm-hmm.
I got rid of them, and I got me some pretty green ones.
Oh, okay.
Only they got a pump. You pump that thing, and you gotta watch her. It's gonna squirt right out. You gotta get your hand
Up here.
It's embroidered.
Pour it in on the sugar.
It's a button
Melts the
front.
sugar.
Did you catch that? It's buttoned down the front.
Oh.
Yeah, I can see the buttons now. Button front and front pockets. Flattering Kentucky adds lovely detailing.
And you just stir it.
Stir the sugar up. It's melted.
They're made out of cotton.
And then, see, I still got a little space that I'm going to put some water in.
Why do you add water?
To finish filling it up.
Oh, okay.
To make a half gallon.
Okay.
Have you put the sugar in yet?
Yep.
Yeah, she did.
But that's it.
Sweet.
And now, what do? Let it get cold, or you don't?
Yeah, you have to let it cool off.
But you gotta have a glass of ice too, and it's gonna.
Yeah, and usually, like say I made it now, I'd leave it on the counter overnight and then put it in the fridge the next day.
Oh.
And it helps it get sweeter.
Okay.
The more it sits, the sweeter it gets.
Marries it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.